Hello, good evening. Today I will be demonstrating how to process uh, pandas in Python, and of course I will be using a CSV file. I will read the CSV file using pandas, and then I will be doing a lot of activities. Let us see what are the actions I do. Okay, so first thing is import pandas as PD. Okay, then I'm going to read the file in a data frame. So let me call the data frame as df is equal to pd dot read underscore csv. Okay. Now where is my CSV file? My CSV file is in C drive. So let me call C colon slash slash Python slash slash ML slash slash FIFA data.csv. Okay. Now this FIFA underscore data.csv file is in Python's YAML folder. Actually, this is the folder in which I have my CSV file. Of course, if you have kept your file in some other location, then you have to specify okay that location here. Okay. Especially in Windows systems, you have to give two okay slashes between the directories. Okay, it's like this. Okay, look at this. Fine. Now the CSV file is read and it is kept in data frame. Now you can see I'll just display the data frame. I'll just put df and I'll just say run. You can see here the FIFA data has been read. Okay. Now I want to know what are the different columns in this. So I'll say columns. Okay. So what are the different columns in this data frame? So let me run that. You can see here these are the different columns I have. Okay. Now once I know the columns, I would like to pick out only specific columns. For example, you see, I want only name and age. Okay, only name and age. Okay. Now, if I simply say df, I'll get everything. You can see here. You can see here. I'm getting okay index, then ID, name, age, photo, everything I'm getting. I want only name and age. Okay. In that case, what can I do? So what I'll do, df of okay I must give one list. Okay, you see a list in Python is always okay, of course in a df one square bracket is compulsory. Within that I must give a list. Okay, so I'll say name comma age. Okay, so you see this is called a list. This is called a list. This is called a list. Okay, df then square bracket is for retrieving okay a specific column. But if I want a group of columns, then I must give the group of columns as a list. Okay, so there should be two opening, you can see here two opening brackets and two closing brackets. So let me run this now. You can see here name and age. Okay, of course this is the index. By default it automatically comes name and age. Fine. Now I want to retrieve okay only okay the people. Okay, let me call this way now. Let me put df1 is equal to df. That means what? It will go as a okay data frame 1 df1. Okay, now look at this. The in from df okay which was having the original data, I am picking out name and age. I am storing it df1. So I'll just display again. You can see here. Now in this df1, I want only people okay who are above okay the age of 30. Okay, so what can I do? So what I'll do is look at this in df1. Again, I'll have two square brackets. Okay, df of age. Now you can see df1 contains two fields now. One is name, other thing is called age. Now what I'll do, I'll just say greater than or equal to 30. You can see here. If you want, you can see here. Okay, see df1. See df1 contains already only name and age. Okay, that we retrieved using okay a list given as argument for df. Once it is retrieved, I am putting in df1. If from df1, okay, again I have to retrieve based on this condition. Okay, so you see, whenever you want to display some data from the data frame, you have to have compulsorily one opening square bracket, one closing square bracket. Okay, then depending on your action or condition, you have to specify the condition here. That condition can be based on a single field or multiple field. Here we kept, okay, a single field. So you can see here df of age. Okay, in fact this should be df1 of age. I'll call df1 of age is greater than or equal to 30. Okay, so let me run this. You can see here, see 31, 33, 32, 31. So many things are there, but you'll get all, okay, 3,500 records. So what I want only, okay, top 10. In that case I can just put dot head 10. You can see now, you can see here only 10 records will be there. You can see here, you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more will be on top. Messi. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. So this is how you retrieve. This is how you retrieve. Fine. So what I have done is, okay, I retrieve two fields, name and age, and put it in df1. Then from df1 I am retrieving, okay, specific records where age is greater than or equal to 30, and out of which only top 10 records I am displaying. Now again I'll just say df.column, so that I want to do some processing. I want to see the fields and then do some processing. Run. You can see here, yeah, there are so many columns are there. Okay, this data frame contains dot columns. Basically it's an attribute. Okay, fine. Now I have name, age, photo, nationality, everything. So what I want to do is I want to bring out, okay, the nationality, okay, and then count, okay, how many are there in every nationality. Okay, so again what I'll do, let us call df2 is equal to df of, okay, nationality. Okay, now you can see here I am not giving, okay, I am not giving two opening square brackets. Why? Because I want only one field to be retrieved. So I am just giving df of nationality. Okay, df is the original data frame, okay, which was read from our CSV file, which was read from our CSV file. Okay, now I am retrieving from that original data frame and put it into df2. Now let me display df2. You can see here, yeah, you can see Argentina, Portugal, Brazil, Spain, like that. So many records are there. So many records are there. Okay. Now, in I want to count. Okay. So in every, okay, nationality, okay, how many records are there? So that I want. So let me put this as, okay, df3 is equal to df2 dot value underscore count, value underscore count. Okay, now let me run this. Yeah, so it should be value counts. Okay, in fact I'm not displaying it. So df3 value underscore counts, you can see here. Okay, can you see that? See England. Okay, in England there are 1662 players are there. In Germany 1198. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, what I done was only nationality I picked out and put it in df2. Then from df2 I'm just counting value underscore counts. So that comes to df3. I'm just displaying df3. Okay, so out of which I want only, okay, top 10. So what I'll do, head of 10. So let me run this. You can see here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Only 10 records are. England, Germany, Spain. So you have only top 10 records. Okay, based on the count. Fine. So these are you process. Okay, a specific uh, column. Okay, uh, from your list of data frame, from your data frame fields. Okay, now again let me go back. Okay, and just display df1 dot columns. Here you can see here there are so many things are there here. Okay, preferred food, jersey number, there are so many things are there. So what I'll do, okay, I'll just put this way, preferred food. Okay, so I'll just say df food is equal to df of, okay, food, preferred food. Okay, so let me run this. Of course, I had to display it. You can see here left, right, everything is there. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just say, okay, value underscore counts, so that it will count. Okay, in left how many, right how many, so like that it will count. So let me run this. You can see here right foot players are 13,948 and left foot players are, okay, 4,211. Okay, so this is how you have to process various fields from a data frame. Hope this, okay, video was, okay, very useful. Okay, in my next video I will be updating more on pandas data frame. Thank you.